This is a three-way adapter. This is a crucial tool in critical care, commonly used in ICUs, operation theaters, and other medical settings for precise fluid and medication administration. A three-way stopcock is a medical device designed with three ports. First, mainline port connects to the patients via a catheter or IV line. Second, secondary line port used for administering medications, fluid, or drawing blood. Third, control handle, a rotating valve that directs flow between the ports. Typically, it is made of medical grade plastic, ensuring stability and compatibility with intravenous solutions. Now, let's see how it works. Setup: one port connects to the patient, example central venous or arterial line. Another port connects to the infusion line or pressure monitoring setup. Third port is typically used for syringe or additional medication administration. Second, valve operation. Rotating control handle determines the flow direction. Aligning the handle blocks the flow in that direction. Turning it allows the fluid to flow between two or three all ports. Third, monitoring. For CVP or AVP, the stopcock is connected to a pressure transducer. The device transmits fluid pressure to the transducer, which converts it into electrical signal displayed as a waveform. Fourth, and the most important, flushing. The stopcock can be turned to allow flushing solution through the line to keep it clear and prevent clots. Precautions: must ensure proper alignment of the stopcock to prevent backflow or air embolism. Require regular flushing to prevent blockages. Third, strict sterility techniques are necessary to avoid infection. This is a picture of the device. These are very helpful for taking CVP, AVP, or a blood for ABG, and it allows for simultaneous infusion of fluids and medication without requiring additional IV line.